If you're the type of person who sees the insane value of creating content online, but maybe you don't love jumping into video editing tools and spending hours behind the computer, I might have the perfect AI tool for you. There's this one tool that I actually find myself using all the time as a content creator and a business owner. And that tool is Descript. Not just for video editing, but even for like brainstorming, script writing, coming up with SRT files, all kinds of stuff. So in this video, that's what I want to walk you through is how you can use Descript to make more content faster and make it easier for you to put out good content online. Really quickly, we'll go over what this tool is, how it's better than other editing tools out there, and then some of my favorite features that I use it for that's a little bit outside of the box. It's not just video editing, but also like brainstorming, script writing, stuff like that. So if you haven't heard of Descript, this is what it is. It is basically a visual editor for video editing and podcast editing where you can edit by text. So what you do when you upload videos, and I'll show you kind of an example here in a second, is it actually transcribes the text for you. And then if you want to edit anything, you just highlight that text and delete it. Now, this makes editing super simple. So let's say, for example, I've got a new project. I want to edit a video. I want to do a YouTube video or a video for my website or something like that. All I have to do is drop a file into Descript. Once that transcript's ready, you can see here, like this is me starting the video. All I have to do is highlight that out and then I can hit backspace. That just deleted that out. Now that part is gone out of my video. I don't have to worry about finding the exact timestamps and all of that stuff. I can quickly remove any filler words like ums and uhs, stuff like that. I can remove any gaps. It can even look for where I've reshot stuff. So I said something multiple times and it will just grab the very last one. This one's really helpful, the studio sound. So you just click it, it removes any background noises, makes everything sound a little bit more better and a little more polished. Once I have removed anything that I want to get out of the video and I have a full finalized video, I can then go ahead and download the actual file itself. If I want to grab the transcript, let's say this is a YouTube file, so I need like an SRT file, I can grab the SRT file here as well. I can add captions. So this is super cool and super helpful, especially if you're doing any type of advertising or like a VSL, a video sales letter. Using captions and these specifically like animated captions so that people can see the text moving across the screen becomes really helpful. Really easy to do with this tool. A lot of those caption style videos that you see all over TikTok, Instagram, stuff like that, super easy to make here with Descript. Also, depending on what social media platforms you're using and all that kind of stuff, it makes it super easy to resize. So I can always just come here and I can, once I get this all edited and ready to go, I can just duplicate it and then I can change it out to a square version. So now I've got a square version of this and I can edit this and make this all fit right and everything like that. But it makes it really easy to have square, portrait, landscape, all that stuff for the different social media platforms. And then they even have like a ton of B-roll options, GIFs, stuff like that. So it's super easy to layer stuff in here and actually make a really good looking video very quickly and very easily. So we're using this to edit all kinds of stuff right now. We're using this to make YouTube videos. We've built courses out of this. So it's particularly one thing for us was we had a big long workshop where we had like 6 hours of content, but it was just like a workshop style, people talking, asking questions, all kinds of stuff. We used Descript to boil that down into a really short, impactful hour-and-a-half course. And then we've been selling that online and that's been doing really well. Video sales letters, podcast, video ads, social media videos, all kinds of stuff. Another way that I've been using this that I really like is using it to come up with ideas for like emails and videos. So you can see I've got one project here. It's just called email dictation ideas. And what I can do is I'll just record audios on my phone while I'm talking and then I'll drop them in here. And then I instantly get a transcript. It's free. I used to use like rev.com for this and I think I paid, or temi.com for this and I think I paid a couple of cents per minute. So it wasn't super expensive, but now I've got Descript. So I'm just doing this for free. And then what I can do is I can take this, I can actually drop this into ChatGPT and say, hey, can you help me condense the ideas out of this audio? And then I can workshop that into like a really actionable email or a YouTube video that I can make. And all of this is just scratching the surface. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with green screen effects and B-roll and stuff like that for social media, like really engaging shorts. So for me, I have just found that this is way easier than opening up Premiere Pro and actually trying to go in and edit using that style of video editor because that's just not what I'm great at. I kind of know how to use a platform, but like super basic level. So this has made things way easier for me. And so oftentimes it's faster if I don't want to wait for a video editor to do some kind of like more advanced editings. Sometimes on this channel, we still send stuff off to the video editor and he'll do really cool YouTube videos for us where he does all kinds of great animated effects and stuff like that. But for videos like this, I can usually turn these around in like less than an hour, which makes it really easy and really nice to use a platform like this. And all of this for like $15 a month. This says 12, but this is the annual. So I think if you go monthly, I think we pay $15 a month. And so, yeah, I mean, like for what you get for 15 bucks a month, this has been a super powerful platform that's really helping us make it easier for us to turn around content. So that's it. This is the AI tool that I think I have been the most impressed with and I use all the time. Like ChatGPT is cool. I use that quite often as well. But like this is the one that I feel like is the most useful and actually kind of lives up to some of the hype around what it says it can do. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out. There's actually a link down in the description below where you can get a free 14-day trial for this. So check that out. Other than that, if you want to see a little bit more of a detailed tutorial on how we're using this to create captions, so specifically captions for like video ads, video sales letters, stuff that we're promoting pretty heavily online, you can go ahead and check out this video right here because I actually walk you through how we're using Descript to create animated captions for videos, which has been a super cool feature, very useful. So check this one out and I will see you over there.